For your CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to show you how you can read the directory contents off of an SD card using a built-in SD card reader on your microcontroller board. So here you can see I've got a Metro RP2350. And we have a couple boards, I think the Grand Central and maybe one of the other Metros, ESP32S3 might have it. But having these built on cards is nice not only because it's physically convenient, but we have baked in a whole bunch of the setup to the cut of CircuitPython for that board. So it is dead simple to use. Check it out. Here in my code, I'm importing time, so I can do a little pausing dramatically. I am importing OS, the operating system library. Then I am creating a variable called files, which is based on this command, os.listdir, list directory, SD. So we automatically mount an SD card in CircuitPython on a board that has a built-in reader like this one. And then I'm going to print SD card contents, pause dramatically, and then for each file in a sorted list, so I'm using this command sorted files, which is going to do all of those files sorted alphabetically. And I'm going to make that a list that's alphabetical, that is case insensitive, so we don't get sort of mixing of uppercase and lowercase. And I'm going to prune out the dot files, especially if you've opened this on a Mac, you might have files that start with a period. So I'm going to prune all those out, and then I'm going to print a little couple spaces, like an indent, and then the name of the file, and wait. So when I run this, I'll go ahead and see the contents are help.txt, lars6mp3, my file text, pico, puffin, street chicken, and tic-tac-toe bmp. So all of those files are on this little SD card right here. I can rerun that and we'll see that there's actually a automatic placeholder that comes with a installation of CircuitPython on these boards. So you're never going to run into an error there unless you get rid of that file. But if I rerun that, we'll get all the contents of that SD card up on screen. There's no worrying about the SPI pins and chip select. All of that is built right in, so it's super quick, super easy. And not only can you list the directories, of course, you can open files, write new files, read the file contents, and more. And so that is how you can use a built-in SD card reader on a microcontroller board that has one inside of CircuitPython. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.